This tutorial is for 5th grade, Module 2, Lesson 9. In this lesson, we are solving multi-step word problems. Because they are multi-step, we want to make sure that we read our problems carefully before we jump in and start solving them. So number 1 says, Jenny and Leah are both jewelry makers. Jenny made 16 beaded necklaces. Leah made 39 more necklaces than Jenny. I'm going to underline the important parts of this question. I know that Jenny made 16 beaded necklaces. But when I look at the next statement, Leah made 39 more necklaces than Jenny, I know that it doesn't tell me exactly how many necklaces Leah made. We just know that she made 39 more necklaces than Jenny. So that's an important part of this problem. The first question says, each necklace they make has exactly 104 beads on it. How many beads did both girls use altogether while making their necklaces? I'm going to start by writing my final statement with a blank where the solution goes. This statement helps me focus on the goal of the problem, so I know that I have to keep working until I can answer this question. So my statement says the girls used blank beads altogether. I need to find that total. Well, to find that total, I know I need to find how many necklaces Leah made, so we'll start there. If Jenny made 16 necklaces and Leah made 39 more, I know that I can add 39 to 16 to find out how many necklaces were made by Leah. In order to do this type of addition, though, I'm going to adjust my problem. I'm going to think of it as 15 plus 40. This is called compensation addition. I've taken 1 from the 16 and I put it on the 39 to make 40. That allows me to do this addition easily in my head, and it prevents careless errors from being made. So 15 plus 40 is 55. So I know that this is the amount of necklaces made by Leah. If I want to find the total number of necklaces, I need to add Jenny's amount to Leah's amount. So I have 16, and I'm adding that to 55. Now you could do this mentally, you could do it with the standard algorithm. I'll show the standard algorithm this time. So 6 plus 5 is 11. Carry my 1. 1, 5, and 1 is 7. So I know that 71 is the number of necklaces. So I'm going to put a little N there to stand for necklaces. But that still doesn't tell me how many beads. I do know that there are 104 beads on every necklace. So the fastest way to figure this out would be to multiply 104 by 71. I'm going to use the standard algorithm for this multiplication. So 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 0, and 1 times 1. Here I'm multiplying by 70, not just 7, so I know that my answer will be 10 times as great as if I multiplied by 7. So I need to put this 0 down to make sure each digit is 10 times as great as when I multiply by that 7. So 7 times 4 is 28. Carry my 2. 7 times 0 plus 2 is 2, and 7 times 1 is 7. I will add my partial products, and I can see that the total number of beads used by both girls is 7,384. So again, the purpose of the lesson is to read each problem carefully, underline the information that we know, and make sure that we are answering the question that is actually being asked in the problem.